So you want your material to be see-through, a little or a lot or completely invisible. Yeah, that's the opacity input doing its thing. Opacity controls how transparent your material is. A value of 1 means fully solid and a value of 0 means completely invisible. And anything in between gives you a glass-like or a ghost-like effect. It's basically Unreal asking how much of the object should the player actually see. Now to understand it better, let's take a look at this example. Now first of all, before we begin, as you can see on the left side, we have the material properties, and here on the blend mode you have to select translucent as the blend mode, otherwise the opacity will not work. Now you can generally also tweak the metallic, specular or roughness value of the surface, but for now this tutorial we will leave that as B because we will discuss it later further down the road in another tutorial. For now, as you can see, we just changed it to translucent, and now we have all the other options off and we have our opacity option with one value in it. Now like always, you can just right click and promote it to a variable, or you can just drag a pin from there and press S, and like this we have our opacity node. Now let's just connect this value here and apply this and see it in action. Now as you can see on the screen, we have the material instant of our material. As soon as we turn it to 0, the material becomes completely invisible. As soon as we increase the value, it start appearing. As you can see, it's 0.1 right now and it started appearing, and as we are going above the number of 0.1 to 0.534, it's getting appeared. And even though it's on 1, it's not like a metal or a wood kind of surface. It still looks like a glass surface. Now you can definitely change that, as I said before, but we will discuss that in another tutorial that's coming really soon. Now one more thing to notice here, you can also use an opacity map for it. Now for now we are just using our regular old mannequin texture map that's come with the engine, and the white parts are the one side and the black parts are the 0. So the black part will be see-through and the white part will be noticeable. Now as you can see on the screen, as soon as we applied this material, we can see what's happening here. It's kind of a design glass or something, right? Now the question is, where do you use it? And the answer is quite obvious. Anytime you are making glass, UI elements, hologram, leaves, foliage cutouts, fire VFX, water, smoke cards, basically any material that isn't fully solid. If your game has anything see-through or soft edged, you will end up using opacity a lot. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.